Welcome to GeishaHotelGems, your elegant oasis just moments from Hirakata Park. To secure your unforgettable stay at GeishaHotelGems, simply scan the QR code displayed on screen or find the booking link in the description below. This exquisite three-story house offers an unparalleled experience, perfectly blending modern comfort with prime local accessibility. Imagine stepping into a haven where every detail is curated for your utmost relaxation. Each bedroom has been meticulously appointed with brand new air conditioning, ensuring a serene sanctuary regardless of the season. Stay effortlessly connected with complimentary high-speed Wi-Fi, allowing you to seamlessly integrate work and leisure. GeishaHotelGems is thoughtfully designed for both travel and business, catering to your every need. The spacious layout provides ample room for families, groups, or individual travelers seeking a tranquil escape. Beyond the private accommodations, you'll discover a welcoming shared lounge and TV area, a perfect spot to unwind and connect. Enjoy comfortable seating and a warm ambience, where you can easily catch up on your favorite shows or engage in pleasant conversation. For your convenience, laundry service and a washer are available, adding an extra layer of ease to your stay. While children are welcome, please note that additional fees may apply. Check-in is a flexible 4 p.m., allowing you to settle in at your pace, and check-out is a leisurely 11 a.m. Discover the true meaning of an exceptional travel experience with the perfect blend of luxury and convenience. Don't delay in creating your next memorable vacation. Scan the QR code now to book your stay at GeishaHotelGems and start dreaming of your Japanese adventure.